Are you guilty? Everyone wants to be heard, but almost no one is listening. Always waiting for their turn, pretending to listen while preparing a response. Listening is inconvenient. It slows things down, it removes the spotlight. Talking feels like being in control, listening feels like surrender. Most people don't want the truth. They want confirmation that their noise matters. And silence makes people nervous. It exposes how little is actually being said. I have learned more by staying quiet than by winning arguments I don't even remember anymore. The loudest people usually hear the least. The quiet ones see patterns early. Attention is rare. Real listening is almost extinct. And the strange part is, the moment you actually listen, you stop needing to be heard so badly. I don't think that's a coincidence. Just like that.